Hello everyone. I am Professor Amit Vyas, Computer IT Department from Dr. Subhash Technical Campus. Today, we are discuss about the subject of analysis and design of algorithm, and the topic is Kruskal and Prim's algorithm. So we can show what is the Kruskal algorithm in an example and Prim's algorithm in an example, and what is the difference between both algorithm. Now, this is the question you have solved out. The question is you can show that here. Solve the following problems using Kruskal algorithm. So in an exam or any uh, books, you have given one example of Kruskal algorithm and how can you solve that. This is one problems. So we can start. Also we can show that here the construct the MST. It means the minimum spanning tree for the Kruskal algorithm. So we can start that. Here we can show the same image. And what is the basic introduction? We can show that this is the 25 is a weight of H. This is the weight of between 6 and 5. And this is the name of vertex. So this is the name of vertex. What is the vertex? This is the round. It is called the represent of the vertex. And this is the represent of edges. So this is the basic concept. What is the weight and what is the vertex and name of vertex and representation of edges. So we can start it. So what is the condition? We can show the first condition. Simplify. Draw the all vertices on the paper. You can only draw only for vertices. What is the vertices? This is the one vertex. It means you can draw the number of round and connect the vertices using edges with the minimum weight. You have connect all the vertices and using edges but minimum weight such that no cycle has been created. So this is the condition. What is the cycle? Cycle, it means you have not connect 4 to 7 and 7 to 2 and 2 to 3 and 3 to 4. So this is one cycle. So this is one condition. You have not create one cycle. This is the basic condition. And second, you can start the minimum weight you can start. So this is the basic condition. We can show also some condition. So we can start the step if some condition sort all the edges from low to high weight. It means firstly you can connect only low weight, then after number of edges you can connect the high weight. So what is the minimum weight? You can start here. If the minimum weight is here 10, then you can start here. Then take the edge with the lowest weight and use the connect the vertices of graph. We can show also if you connect both the vertices. If the adding that, if you create a cycle, then reject that the edges and go to the next weight. So we can also show that if you connect these two vertices, that time the cycle is not created. So this is one basic condition. So first we can sort the sort of what is the Kruskal algorithm is completed and what is the basic condition. The first condition is all the vertices is connected from low to high. It means low weight will be first connected, then after you will be connect in the high weight. Second, also you can note down no cycle is created. It means we can show that this is one cycle also. This is one right angle or this is one round. you have no create any cycle of any point of time. So this is the basic condition, and you can connect minimum weight for each and every vertices as well as edges. So if this is one vertices, you can connect the minimum weight. You can start. So first you can start the minimum weight. We can show that. So step number 1, we can show all the edges is vertices on the paper. You can draw that. This is the 7. You can show that, and we can draw the 7 for the represent of the vertex. Now step number 1, you have draw the vertices. You can show that this is one Kruskal algorithm example you have connected, and then you can find the finally answer. That time you can only for create one basic structure. Then what is the step number 2? You can show that here. The condition is the minimum weight is connected. So you can connect what is the minimum weight, you can find here. The minimum weight is 10. So you can connect both vertex, and also you can check that no cycle is created. Then after step number 3, minimum weight is connected. So here we can show that what is the minimum weight. This is the 12 is minimum weight. Then you can create, this is the 3 and 4 is a minimum weight. Then after you can find what is the minimum weight. The minimum weight is 14. So you can connect this both vertices. You can also check that this is the no cycle is created. This is the important thing. Then after you also be checked that the no multiple points you can cover. So this is the importance, and all the points which are connected to each other is also importance. You can show that the final step, then you can easily find out that. Then after we can show that what is the minimum. This is the minimum. You can show that here also. So we can start is connected here. This is the then after we can show that this is the minimum. So you can check that we are not connect to 7 to 4 because of the point is you can show that we are connect 7 to 4. That time cycle is created, and the condition is no cycle is created. So we cannot connect 7 to 4, and also we can show that here the this point is also covered because of the we can connect 4 to 3 and 3 to 2 and 2 to 7. So also this point is not connect because of the cycle is created. So we can reject it, and then after we can check what is the highest value, then 22, and this is you can create it. Then also we can show that no cycle created, and the vertex is also covered. Then what is the maximum? You can show that then 24. If you connect that this point 5 to 7, that time cycle is created. So you can reject it, and then finally you can create the 6 to 5. You can show that here 6 to 5 is blank, and you can create 6 to 5. Then all the points you can cover that and find the minimum weight for the Kruskal algorithm. So we can find the weightage of the all the points. This is the weight, the 10. Then you can addition all the value 25, 22, 12, 16 and 14. Then final weight is a 99. So this is the Kruskal algorithm. We can show that starting. How can you solve this example? So we can show that this is the Kruskal algorithm. You can give one chart or images of the Kruskal algorithm, and you can solve out. You can show that here this is the name of vertex, and it is called the weight. This is the important thing, and this is round is represent of the vertex. This is the edge. These 2 points you can connect it. It is called the edges. So here a weight is important. So what we can do, the step number 1. First of all, you create the number of vertex as per the diagrams. You can show the this is 7 vertex. You can create the 7 vertex. Then step number 2, connect each vertex is the minimum point. Also, you can check that no cycle is created. This is the basic simple theme you can draw the Kruskal algorithm. So first is you connect the 2 points in the minimum weight. Then after you can check that the point is not covered. Now also you can check that cycle is not created and all the point is completed. Then your example is complete of the Kruskal algorithm. So we can show that here the minimum weight is, you can show that this is the 10, then you can connect, and then after minimum weight is 12, then you can connect, then after minimum weight is a 14, you can connect, then after minimum weight is 16, you can connect, then after 18 you can show that this is the create cycle, so it not connect, then after you can show that minimum weight is 22, you can connect, then after minimum weight 24, but cycle is create, then you cannot connect, then after you can connect 25 because of the minimum weight. So then this is the final answer. Then after you can note down all the weightage addition, finally answer is 99. So this is the final answer of the Kruskal algorithm. Now we can show the, about the Prim's algorithm. So what is the Prim's algorithm? We can show the same example. You can show that this is the image, the Kruskal algorithm. And this is the same image of the Kruskal algorithm, but the step and condition is different. So we can show that here. So here also, this is also called the weight. Then this is the name of the vertex, and then this is the age, and this is all the vertex. This is the common thing. So this is the one common example of the Kruskal and Prim's. Now what is the condition? We can show that the condition is it is used to finding the minimum spanning tree as a given a graph. So you can find the minimum spanning tree also, and to apply the Prim's algorithm, the given graph must be weight is connected and undirected. So the condition is not a particular direction. So also you cannot create the cycle here also. We can show that some details condition. Randomly choose any vertex. You can choose any vertex. It is not compulsory you can choose this one or this one. You can choose or connect any vertex. The vertex connect to the edges having the at least weight is usually selected. So mostly you can select any edges or weight. Find all the edges that you can connect tree of the new vertexes. So you can finally you can create one tree. You can show that this is one types of tree, or any other types of tree you can create it. So if including that the edges create a cycle, if you connect these two edges, you can also show that here you can connect, this is one cycle you can create it, then you can reject any point. So don't create a cycle and look the next weight. So this is one random condition. The condition is you connect any vertex and you can choose the minimum weight also. You can find that and not cycle is created. So we can start here we can connect 2 points of any. So here we can connect it. You can show this is the diagrams. Then after we can connect 1 and 6 and the weight is 10. We can start this point or any this point. So we can connect here first step. Then after what is the condition? Find the at least weight edge among those edge are including the existing tree, and also you can connect, and also you can check that the cycle is not created. So we can start here. What is the step? You can connect any random edges. So we can connect here also. Then next we can show that. So how can you select this point? Then after we can select that the minimum weightage. So we can connect here 2 points. Then after we can select minimum weight. So you can show that what is the minimum point. Here we can connect 28 and 25. So we can select 25. So here we can draw this chart. Then you can reject it. Then after we can show here this point we can show that the minimum weight is here. You can show that this is the you can create it. Then after you can go the 5 points. Then you can check that what is the minimum weight. The minimum weight is 22 and 24. The minimum weight is 22. So you can connect here 2 points. Then after you can also check that which is the minimum points, 18 and 12. So you can check and connect this is the minimum weight. Also you can check that this is you can connect it or not. No, because of this is the not minimum weight. If you connect here also, then you can go to this is the 16. You can assume that this is you can easily to connect it, and then finally you can here connect it. So this is the minimum weight, and then after you can go to the here. That time the total is maximum. So this point you can check that what is the minimum point, 16. So you can connect it 16, and finally you can connect the remaining points 7. So also you can check that the we can connect all the points in the minimum weightage as well as no cycle is created. And finally answer is also become same for the Kruskal algorithm and Prim's algorithm is 99. So what is the condition? The condition is you can start off the any points, but the minimum weight you can mostly select it and don't create a cycle. So we can show that we can start and repeat that what is the Prim's algorithm. So in example you can given and solve out the Prim's algorithm and minimum spanning tree. So this is you can show that also. And what is the condition? So condition is we can show and explain that the condition is you can connect any points of time, but then after you can choose which is the point is minimum. Then after you go this direction or this path. Suppose you can connect this point. Suppose here the not 12 but 8. Then you can connect this point. Then after you can choose that which path you can follow. Then after you can follow this path. So this is the basic condition. We can repeat that the condition is you can connect any points or any vertex, but then after you can choose which is the minimum weight of spanning tree. Then you can connect it. So we can show that here. We can start here 1 or 6 basic connected. Then this is the 10. After we can show that here which direction we can go. Here this 28 and here 25. So easily we can show that we can go to the 25. So we can connect it. Then after we can show here we can go to the 5. Then after go to the 24 or 22. 22 because of the minimum. So you can also check that, and also you can check that no cycle is created. Then after we can show which is the minimum 18 or 12. So we can show that the minimum is 12. So we can connect it the 12. Then after we can go to the here this point and which is the minimum 2. Also you can find that here, but here the not reverse condition you can apply. So you can find here and go to the this step. So then after you go to the 3 points, then which is the minimum only 1. Then you can go to the 2. Then finally you can check that which is the minimum. You can go to the 14. So if you start any points, then after not go to the reverse point. This is the basic also condition. You can apply that, and we can show that this is the common example of the Kruskal and Prim's algorithm. And we can show also here also weight is 99. You can show also here also be weight is 99. So both answer is same, but if no example, so we can show that both the answer is same for the Kruskal and Prim's algorithm. But at another example you can solve out that times it is not possible the answer is also be same for the Kruskal and Prim's. So this is the step of the example of the Kruskal and Prim's algorithm. You can show that you can given only for how can you solve this example only for exam. You have create only for given this chart, and you can solve out what is the final weight of the Kruskal algorithm. If any step you can miss that times you can create one problems. Solve out example is not solved out. So in also in the Prim's algorithm you have given one this chart or any image, and you can find the MST using Prim's algorithm. And finally the answer is importance. You can write also, so we can show that this is your answer. So thank you all of you.